This is Jack. He is 19 years old and just graduated from high school. Jack will be attending UC Davis, where he'll be majoring in biology. There are a lot of reasons Jack picked this school, but one of the main reasons was because of its emphasis on outdoor fun. UC Davis is widely known for its popularity in biking. Almost all students bike to class, and it's what Davis is known for. The summer before classes started, Jack's parents even bought him a UC Davis bicycle because they were so proud of his decision to go to college. However, once Jack started classes, he quickly realized that nobody at UC Davis used bike safety. When Jack's parents gave him his bike, they made him promise that he would be responsible and practice bike safety while away at college. Jack understood his parents' requests. He knew how important bike safety was. It was almost weekly that he would see articles in the newspaper about people who would be injured or even died from bicycle accidents. There were plenty of signs around campus that promoted bike safety, but it just didn't seem to be working. Most students looked so rushed to get to class, the last thing they were thinking about was bike safety. Jack knew it was important to wear a helmet, but he didn't really understand the other parts of bike safety that his parents were talking about, so he decided to do some research. The first thing he learned was that it was important to wear fluorescent colors, especially when biking at night, so that cars and other people could see you. He also learned about reflective stickers that could be placed on different sections of the bicycle to make it easier to see for cars and other people, again, particularly at night. The next thing Jack found he thought was super cool. This small red device you would place on the back of your bicycle would shoot out 2 red lasers on either side of you to help you keep track of where you're going. Jack knew how helpful this device would be on late night rides back from the library, and he bet that if other students knew about it, they would think it was helpful too. Next, Jack learned about the different hand signals. He thought this was really interesting because many people just yelled where they were going at Davis, right, left, or stopping. He thought these hand signals would make things a lot more efficient. And finally, wearing a helmet. Jack found all this information useful, but he was worried his friends might make fun of him for being overly cautious. But then Jack decided that his safety was too important to risk. If he wanted to become a doctor someday, he was going to need to be safe now so he could continue his studies. Jack started to practice bike safety, and none of his friends made fun of him. In fact, some of them even asked for advice on how they could be more safe while riding their bikes.